Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining the ad's one clear goal and collecting assets so you can build fast. Choose a target action, clicks, signups, or views, and pick the platform size that matches it. Once done, import your logo, high-resolution imagery, and brand color codes into a new canvas. Make sure fonts are licensed. This step saves time and revisions because you control consistency. Start composing with a grid, so alignment and hierarchy are immediate and editable as you proceed. You now shape the visual flow to drive action. Begin with a bold headline that states the benefit, then add a concise subhead that explains why it matters. Arrange elements using a Z pattern or centered stack so the eye lands on the CTA last. Once done, set color contrast to ensure readability across devices and test at 50% scale. Make sure typography follows brand rules and limits words. Short copy increases scannability. Then place a high contrast, clickable-looking CTA button. You finish by exporting optimized files and creating ready-to-run variants. Save a layered source file for edits, then export PNG or JPG with compression to meet platform limits while preserving clarity. Once done, build at least 2 variants, different headline or color, and upload both to the ad manager for a /B testing. Make sure to preview on mobile and desktop and click through to validate links. If images blur or CTA is unresponsive, re-export at correct dimensions and recheck compression settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.